Hello, art students. Today, I am going to be talking to you about a few new things. We are going to talk about shadows. We are going to talk about light. We are going to talk about negative space. And we're going to talk about color. All right, so what we are going to do today is we are going to find some fun objects. I found a can of pencils, something near to me, colored pencils. I have my house plant, which is actually a winter cactus, really cool. And you can see my little friend down here, my mannequin. Everyone likes a mannequin. And I have also next to me, I have a jar of water. I'm just grabbing a few things that are kind of close by me, something that's near. And I also have my trusty light, my desk light, which you can see. Oh, there we go. There's my desk light. So you can see I am moving my light, and as I move my desk light, you can see that the shadow on my paper is shifting. Did you know that the same thing happens outside when the sun comes up, when the sun goes to high noon, and when the sun is even setting, that the shadows on the ground will change, just kind of like what you're seeing right now? Isn't that cool? So anyways, that is what shadows do, and there's always a shadow on every object where there is light being cast from. So now that we've talked about shadows and light, let's talk about negative space. Okay, so negative space on this paper is actually all of the areas that we don't see the shadow, right? And that's what I want us to focus on today as we are drawing our negative space shapes. So, to do this, we are going to begin by using a pencil and a paper, and I want you to start drawing right on the edge of the shadow. Much like you see me doing here. And I'm gonna go right here. So I'm drawing along the edges of my shadows. Now, if you don't have a desk light, you can go outside somewhere next to your house, and you can get plenty of free light out there to cast a shadow. Okay, and I think there's a little bit more of some of my plant right in here that I'm seeing. There we go. So as you can see, I've traced around all of my shadows. So when I turn off my light, we should see something a little different. Okay, and where the light is, that's called the negative space. Where the shadows were, that's called positive space. I want us to focus on coloring in all of the negative spaces. So to help me remember where is the shadow and where is the negative space, I'm going to put a little X on those areas. And as I color them in, I will erase them. So when I turn off my light, I can see that this was the positive space with the shadow in it. And all the places where I put an X, that's where all the negative space was, where there was only light. I want to show you the next part for how to color it in on the next video. Thanks for watching.